This week, the NASDAQ has risen in value, and we can see that the price has started the week with a gap. We can see there is a gap between the close price and the open price of this week. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see this gap has been filled with the price after several 4 hours. And this is something that I'm usually sharing with the traders inside the premium analysis, so they are informed when the breakout happens and also what could the price do. On the daily time frame, you can see the price reached the resistance level, a supply zone here, and could not manage to make a bullish breakout above this area of confluence of resistance. But the price has bounced back down, returned back up, and we can see on Friday trying to make a bullish breakout again, but could not make that possible. The weekly time frame shows me a bullish candle with a small body with a larger wick on the lower side and smaller wick on the upper side, but the price could not make significant move around this area of resistance. The month has closed, and we can see that this month has closed as a bullish candle, which is again great information for the bulls. So there is a possibility that the price continues to rise in value. Will the price do that? It depends around this area, which is 21,000, a resistance level where the price currently is. If the price next month manages to make a bullish breakout, this will be indication of the further rise in value where the price could reach again higher price levels. I will go to the daily time frame because it's a very important one. We can see much more clearly how the picture looks, and we can see that 21,000 it will be a very important resistance level because of this confluence of resistance. We have a trend line acting as a resistance, and we have a horizontal line acting as a resistance. If the price manages to make a bullish breakout, we can see that the next resistance will be, first of all, will be this one here at the 21,175, and the next one will be 21,383. So what I am expecting, first of all, I am much more inclined to see a bullish breakout here, but I would like to see first bullish breakout and the next candle do not return back down on the daily time frame. If that happens, this will be information for me that the price will continue to rise in value. And if the breakout happens on the bullish side, I will share that with the traders inside the premium analysis, so feel free to check that. And also if the price goes down, making a bearish breakout, which means closing the day below this area, 20,750, this will be the indication of potentially move down again to this support level. So what happens, we'll see on the daily time frame, but also especially on the 4-hour time frame, where we have much more clear information how the price behaves around very important support and resistance levels. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.